How to change icon color in Samsung. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change icon colors in Samsung, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So right here you can see we have got Samsung Galaxy's default stock icons. If you want to change icon colors on Samsung, there are a couple of ways to actually do this. You can just long press on your home screen like this, then you can simply go to the option called wallpaper and style. From wallpaper and style you can see the option called color palette. You can tap on color palette and just turn on color palette. Then you can turn on apply palette to app icons. So this will extract the colors based on your current wallpaper and it will apply them to the whole Android system, which in this case is known as Monet. So you can see the colors will also get applied to the icons as well as all the settings and so on as well. Now if you want though, you can still change. If you're not happy with the colors here, you can go to basic colors and you can select other colors that you might want to change to. This way you'll be able to change icon color in Samsung. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.